Looking ahead to the trading week beginning December 22nd, quite a bit of old data will be released during the thinly traded holiday week, with the most important likely being the October non-farm payroll report and October PCE data, although less so due to Friday's rescheduling of the November PCE data. The value in these delayed releases is that they let investors reconstruct what the economy looked like before and during the government shutdown, then blend that with snapshots of the post-shutdown data we've already received. In other words, it helps separate what was a shutdown-related distortion from what was a real shift in growth, inflation, and labor momentum, regardless of whether it was caused by the shutdown or not. That matters because once full liquidity and participation return in January, markets may reprice the path for rates and risk assets if the pre-shutdown picture doesn't match what traders assumed during the blackout. Also worth noting for next week, holiday trading doesn't just mean lighter volume. It means fewer actual trading hours and opportunities to trade than many people realize. Markets are closed on Thursday in Australia, the UK, Germany, Canada, and the US. Markets also have early closes on Wednesday in Australia, Germany, the UK, and the US. And liquidity then tightens again as markets in Australia, the UK, Germany, and Canada are closed for Boxing Day on Friday. So traders and investors should be cautious next week overall. Now looking ahead, no earnings releases of note are scheduled for next week. Economic data, however, Sunday interest rate meeting and decision from the People's Bank of China will happen. Monday, UK GDP and backdated PCE prices and spending data. Tuesday, more backdated U.S. economic data like October durable goods and industrial production. Also, preliminary third quarter GDP data and both September and October new home sales data. We're also getting a 5-year note auction. Wednesday, initial jobless claims in the U.S. and a 7-year note auction. Early closes in the U.S., the UK, Australia, and Germany. Thursday is the Christmas holiday in Australia, Germany, the UK, Canada, and the US. No economic data releases to report. And then Friday, a second holiday, Boxing Day in Australia, Germany, the United Kingdom, and Canada. And the only data in the US will be the Baker Hughes rig count data in the afternoon. To all of you this clip reaches, happy holidays, and please be safe.